The main goal of any simulation is to get a complete picture of possible risks in real-life conditions and also come up with a plan to handle those risks before beginning manufacturing. The Mixed Sim Simulator makes it possible to analyze your designs with varying temperatures and component parameters. And with the new sensitivity analysis tool in Altium Designer, it's easier than ever to assess the performance of your component selections at design time. The new sensitivity calculation can target all of the components in your schematic, or just the ones you want to know more about. When combining sensitivity simulations with other types of analysis, you'll see values for absolute and relative sensitivity, and also a complete picture of how your components will influence key characteristics on your circuit. With a detailed histogram included in your results, it's easy to see which components are affecting the performance of your design. And with all of this information at your fingertips, you can reduce manufacturing costs without sacrificing the quality of your device.